know what? Stay away from those people who try to disparage your ambitions. Small minds will always do that, but great minds will give you a feeling that you can become great too. Success has various definitions for different individuals. For some, it entails financial prosperity, such as becoming a millionaire. Others might see success as receiving recognition and accolades, while for athletes it often means winning trophies, championships, or medals. For many, true success is simply achieving a state of well-being, health, or happiness. Regardless of how you define success, consider these 8 habits that universally contribute to achieving it. Habit 1. Goal setting. Successful individuals always set goals. It's rare to find a successful person who doesn't have clear objectives. Without a defined target, your chances of achieving what you want are almost non-existent. If you lack direction, you'll likely end up somewhere unintended. Prioritizing goal setting is essential for anyone pursuing success. Clearly outline what you want to achieve. Identify the necessary steps to get there, and break these down into smaller, manageable tasks. Ensure your motivation, your why, is compelling, so that when obstacles arise, you have the determination to persevere. 2. Take full responsibility of your life. These past few days we discussed about being a real man. Now we can apply it to this habit. Own both your success and failures. That's the secret. Unlike many, they never play the victim. When things don't go as planned, they don't place blame on others. Instead, they learn from the experience, identify what didn't work, and move on swiftly. It's vital to focus your energy on the present and on planning for the future. Always think about how you can make things work and what lessons you can take away from each experience. Avoid dwelling on the past or making excuses for not being where you want to be. Everyone encounters setbacks, but the choice to blame circumstances or to focus on creating a better future lies with you. No matter what has happened, your actions now define your path forward. Habit 3. Self-discipline. Mike Tyson said, and quote, "Discipline is doing what you hate to do, but doing it like you love it." Strong self-discipline is a hallmark of all successful individuals, and it can be cultivated with consistent practice. Anyone who works from home or without supervision understands the crucial role self-discipline plays. When you're alone, will you choose to browse social media, watch cat videos on YouTube, or engage in activities that will benefit your future? Discipline becomes much easier to maintain when you have clear goals and a meaningful purpose, something far more significant than trivial distractions. Number 4. Self-development. Pay attention to this. What we think, we become, and the only journey is the journey within. Successful people are obsessed with self-development. You can't truly be successful if you stop working on yourself. This doesn't mean you're never satisfied. It means you recognize the human desire to grow and learn new things. Be open to acquiring new knowledge and skills. Develop your mind through mentors, audiobooks, and reading. The more you learn, the more you will earn, both financially and spiritually. Reading is a common habit among highly successful individuals. Nowadays, many people can't sit alone for 2 minutes without feeling bored and turning to social media, likely to post about their boredom. Successful people, however, are often content to be alone, enjoying the quiet and taking the opportunity to read or listen to something that benefits their mind and future. If you're not a fan of reading, try audiobooks. You can listen to them in the car, at the gym, or while showering, turning time that might otherwise be wasted into an opportunity to gain new skills and strength. Number 5. The habit of managing your time. Effective time management is crucial for achieving success. Unsuccessful people often feel stressed and overwhelmed when faced with a lengthy to-do list, whereas successful individuals rarely experience this. They prioritize tasks that offer the highest payoff and most rewards first, leaving less important ones for later. Successful people plan well in advance, whether it's days, weeks, or months ahead, clearly understanding what needs to be done to complete their tasks and reach their goals. The habit 6. Strong mind on taking risk. Instead of worrying about what you cannot control, shift your energy to what you can create. Believe in yourself. Listen, what I mean is, successful people are willing to take risks because without taking risks, big rewards are unattainable. These individuals understand that sometimes they must step out of their comfort zone to achieve their goals. While most people avoid risks due to fear of failure, successful people fear regret more than failure. They believe in risking for the life they desire, rather than settling for a life they don't want. Number 7. Persistence through failure. The one who falls and gets up is stronger than the one who never tried. This habit will make you stronger. When faced with failure and setbacks, successful people keep going. Everyone encounters setbacks on their journey to their dream life, and many might even face significant losses. However, while most people give up, successful individuals persist. They understand that their greatest character is developed in adversity, and that their success story is being written in every moment, particularly through their comebacks. And habit 8, always finding a way to win. Winners never quit, and quitters never win. Winners embrace hard work. Winners make a habit of manufacturing their own positive expectations in advance of the event, no matter what life throws into you. Deal with it and dodge them, or smash through them. Whatever it takes. This whatever it takes mentality is driven by confidence and a determination to give their all, leaving nothing on the table. They are committed to finding a way to win. Embody these habits into your daily life, and you'll be well on your way to achieving your version of success. Just remember, my friend, success is a journey, not a destination. Stay committed, keep learning, and never give up on your dreams. If you found this inspiring and want more tips to fuel your success, be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Until next time.